Hello, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Matchbox Resurrection.
And today I'm playing with this Rolls Royce. It was a gift from Fraser Martin, so thank you very much, my friend. As you can see, the boot is missing, but that's not a problem. Let's have some fun. The wheels are a bit wobbly, as you expect after so many years. And this must be the cleanest interior I've ever seen. There's a rivet holding the windshield, and I also need to prepare the back of the boot to receive the new one. And this is what I'm gonna use. It's another silver shadow or a cabriolet, and the windshield is broken. It was a present from my friend Anthony Bolini, so thank you very much. And as you can see, they're very similar. So I'm guessing the boot will be almost identical. The chassis are a bit different, but I'm gonna use the original anyway. And of course, I need to remove the boot, but I need to be careful because I don't want to break it. The radiator and the front bumper are attached with a couple of pins, and it's very easy to remove. Finally, I've got it out, and it's time to see if it fits properly. And it does fit, but now it's time to strip the paint off. To attach the new boot, I actually bent the tabs on the back, as they're bigger and you got less chances to break them. I'm gonna try to remove as many scratches as I can from the windshield. I'm brushing the wheels to give them a smoother finish. I'm using liquid shoe polish so they'll be nice and shiny. As I said at the beginning, after so many years, the wheels are a bit wobbly. So I'm just gonna use a bit of super glue at the end of the axle and they'll be straight again. I'm using Tamiya clear red with a couple of drops of clear blue over silver. And now it's time to put it back together. Nice and easy restoration today. Thanks a lot, Fraser and Tony, for your donations. As you can see, the new boot fits like a glove. Another addition to my collection. Thanks a lot for watching. Like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time with something else. Have a good day.